Hey everybody, it's your old pal Robert from ThrillRide.com. How you doing? So today, on a kind of windy morning, I'm out at a place here in Simi, or in the Simi Valley area, called Underwood Family Farms. Now there's actually two locations. There's one in Moorpark, which is the location we're at now, and another not too far away in Somas, a little town just about 10 miles further east. And these are family-owned and operated farms, and they have picking seasons here. Now, unfortunately, this time of year, and I think also due to the current conditions, there's no picking, but they have petting zoos and farmers markets, and I think one of the locations may even have a hedge maze. So anyway, just going to take a look around and see what's on offer. So let's go check it out. So standing just in the parking lot, taking a quick look at the gorgeous view there. I guess that's to the, oh gosh, I don't know what direction that is. Anyway, pretty nice rural area here. And you can see some horses over there in the distance. And yeah, then we get the parking lot. And over there you can see some of the tents. And I believe that's where we're going to find a lot of the organic market. So you can see there's the signs promise. The farms are open every day from 9 to 5. I think they're only closed 3 days out of the year. Christmas Day, New Year's Day, and I think half days on Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve, something like that. So yeah, they're here to serve your fresh produce needs pretty much year round. Yeah, the wind's really picking up, but you can see the all the different food stalls here, and seems to be quite a decent variety of stuff. Very cool. Alright, here's a little pro tip for you pumpkin pickers. And this looks to be where we can pay the fee and step on in. So right up front they've got a sign here that shows what's available for picking and what the current market price is for those items. Neat. Alright, so we're just inside the gate entrance here, and you can see a lot of cool little activities. They have these pull wagons and a little challenge course that looks like for the kids, and a whole bunch of other stuff to kind of explore. I love the cow-themed garbage cans, and it's like a map of the property. We can take a look at that. And good old Glory up there. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, produce stand, garden fountain, the cow bounce. That sounds promising. Chicken show. Pick your own barn, tractor drawn rides, electric train, trike trail. Wow. Yeah, pony rides, cow train, bee train. This is pretty cool. Now, I think a lot of this may not be in operation, of course, because of the conditions and all. It's quite a lovely soundscape of all these singing, chirping birds. Quite a party going on in here. How you doing? Hi there. Good morning. Wow. Aren't you guys pretty? Or gals? Horses. I can't tell what kind of horses you are. You seem to be pretty small. So I don't know if you're ponies or this is a full-grown version of whatever you are. Hi. Hello there. Now again, I think normally you'd be allowed to walk into the gate and pet them, but there is no petting. But we can observe. Hey there, buddy. Ooh, you're a big boy. Look at you. Good morning, my friend. Yeah, I don't know what kind of a pig you are, but you got to be well into 3 figures. Yeah, you're a hefty fella, but so cute. Well, there we go. Come a little closer, we'll get a good look at your one-of-a-kind visage. Hi there, buddy. Hi, good morning. How are you? Yeah, good to see you too. A little breakfast there? Nice. So yeah, this is pretty great. They've got a kind of whiteboard map where they can update what is available for the picking. And you can see that star there on the lower right shows where we are relative to the whole farm area. It's pretty big. There's a lot of room out there. That is a red barn. That's about as fire engine red I've ever seen a barn before. It looks like it was painted yesterday. Very nice. I love this vintage wagon over here. That looks to be quite old indeed, and the sort of the bent wooden poles that would have supported the canvas top. Very cool. Hey little pig, how are you? You are super adorable. Yeah, sorry we can't get any closer than this, but... Oh, and good morning to you too. Thank you for that lovely greeting. There you are. Hello, sir. I love your comb. That is very, very elegant. Yeah. From one redhead to another. I approve. So I wouldn't call this a hedge maze so much as it is a little kind of fenced off garden area. But it's cute. And there's another wooden figure encouraging the proper wearing of masks. Oh, neat. Little covered pathway. Aha! Well, be mindful of the bees. Where there are flowers, there will be bees. Yeah, we got to keep our bees safe and happy. Very important. I really dig this water tower up here with the kind of like sluice that runs down here and then ends up here. And I'm not sure if this is some kind of interactive attraction, almost like a hand for gold sort of a thing. I don't know, but it is also currently closed, so we'll have to come back and find out what this is all about on another day. Well, I was mistaken. When I first came in, I thought these elevated ramps were some kind of a kid activity, but these are not built for humans. These are built for other animals entirely. And if we follow along, you can see who these or see what these ramps are meant to accommodate. And of course, if you follow your nose, you'll start to get a good whiff of our friends the goats. Hey buddies. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Oh yeah, you're having your breakfast now, huh? I love the horns. Very cool. And I got this old beat up truck to chill on. Yeah, there's a whole bunch in there. Hi guys. So yeah, they built this really cool, intricate, almost habit-trail type system for the goats to make their way all around the area high above us. That's really cool. You know, you got a lot of grass right in the pen there with you. I'm not sure why you're compelled to eat the stuff that's just beyond the fence. But you know what? You're the goat. You know better than I do what you enjoy. Yeah, there's a little goat chilling up there on the elevated walkway. Hey, kitty. There's some cow facts. Cows, they say their cows can weigh between 800 and 900 pounds. Even though cows are quite large, they can jump over 6 feet. Wow, who knew? And there is this majestic cow. Hello, hi. Good morning, beautiful. Yeah, oh, you are a sweetie. Well, here's a breed of rabbit I've never heard of. Flemish giant rabbits. These guys can run up to 35 miles an hour. The average weight of a Flemish giant rabbit is 15 pounds, so they can weigh up to 30 pounds. That's a big rabbit. And of course, they are herbivores. Yeah, all right, so we can get a little look at one of these fellas. And I see some in the back. They're kind of hidden in shade. There we go. Yeah, hi there. You are big bunnies for sure. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Hey there. Oh. We get tons of little wild rabbits running around our property. None of them are even half as big as these guys. Yeah. So unfortunately, no shows are currently being performed, but they do have a really kind of cute covered feeder space and this rather charming stage backdrop of the barn. I'm just imagining there's some pretty cool little animal shows in here. How are you? Yeah. Oh, and there's your pen friend. Hello. Hi there. How you doing? Wow. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Hello, cutie. Oh, you have such a beautiful coat. You're like a Calico Goat. I've never seen that before. Yeah. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. Hello. I wish I could feed you. I'm so sorry. We're dealing with COVID, so I can't get much closer than this. But it is lovely to see you. Oh, you are adorable. Oh, these little critters are so sweet. Looks like a lot of them are just enjoying some of the warmth of the sun on this kind of chilly morning. Oh, and look at this one here. This coat almost has a vaguely kind of purplish tint to it. Yeah, oh, great. Hi. Hey there. Well, yes, I agree. It's a beautiful morning. I'm so glad I'm out. I'm glad. I didn't mean to interrupt. I'm sorry. I guess you had a lot more to say. Anyway, yes, I do agree. This is a beautiful morning, and it's a privilege to be out here sharing it with you guys. Yeah. Wow, look at this. Alpacas. Awesome. Alpacas can live up to 20 years. They originated in South America. Wow, they're pregnant for about 345 days, almost a year. A baby alpaca is called a cria, and like so many other critters here, they are herbivores. Now, it looks like we can only see them from this side of the cage, but look at those faces. Oh man, they're like Ewoks merged with llamas or something. Oh wow, that is great. Ooh, easy there. That cinnamon colored coat on that alpaca on the left. God, that is just beautiful. Donkey. Oh, there you go. So you do know Shrek. How are you? Oh, you're beautiful. Yeah. Hi. Again, I'm so sorry I can't give you a little pet. I have to come back someday for that, but yeah, you're lovely. Oh, those big ears. How are you? Oh, we got some sheep. There we go. Sheep have special hair called wool. Wool is used to make sweaters and blankets. How do you like that? They can live up to 10 to 12 years. They're pregnant for about 5 months and have 1 to 2 babies at a time. That's all your pertinent sheep facts. All right, look at that big fella back there. This is a draft horse, which are bigger than ponies and standard horses. Our draft horses are called Percherons. They originated in France and were originally bred for war. Wow. Our Percherons are about 18 hands high and weigh about 2,000 pounds. That is a ton of horse. Wow. And then on the other end of the scale, we got the miniature horse. Oh, hi there. Miniature horses can live to be 25 to 35 years old. They are measured in hands, and one hand equals 4 inches. Okay, there you go. To be a miniature horse, it must be under 8.2 hands. Oh, look at that incredible animal. This is a Scottish Highlander cow. As you say, the Highlander cow originated in Scotland. No surprise. They have long, thick hair to keep them warm in the harsh winters. A miniature Highlander cow can weigh over 1,000 pounds, and a mature Highlander bull also close to a ton. Wow. Oh, so cool. Hello. Oh. Well, I tell you, I would have guessed you were a water buffalo before being properly informed. Amazing. Oh, those horns are so great. Look at that face. Hi. What a tongue, too. That is one impressive piece of farm equipment. Of course, the classic John Deere. And that amazing, iconic green color scheme. So this is a combine harvester, the Turbo 6602. Yeah, that is hardcore. A combine is a machine that harvests grain crops such as wheat, oats, rye, barley, corn, soybeans, and flax. It combines into one machine, a process that once required 3 separate operations: reaping, threshing, and winnowing. Grain collects in a tank inside and is periodically emptied by the way of the side pipe into tractor-pulled trailers that drive alongside. Huh. There you go. Yeah, it's kind of a bucket list item for me to pilot one of these machines someday. Yeah, that is pretty sweet. I mean, look at that driver's cabin. Impressive. So it looks like at one point they had open a kind of buried tunnel you could crawl through, because this appears to be one way in. And then if we walk around this grassy mound, I'll see that there is another end. And not sure whether this is closed because of COVID or it's just closed, but kind of curious to know what path this tunnel took underneath the grass. Here is the entrance to the pick your own section. Here comes one of the horse-drawn carriages. Cool. All right, so just learned that the horse-drawn carriage requires 5 tickets to ride, but the tractor is free. So we're going to do the tractor-drawn ride. To the pick your own area in the back. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, a lot of activity back here. Nice. Look very kindly tell you what areas are ripe for the picking, as they say, and what are not. Yeah, if you come out here to pick or not, it's still quite bucolic. Very pleasant to be out here. Yeah, it's pretty cool that the tractor is a kind of a free, almost shuttle service out to the picking area. And you can hop on and hop off as you please for no charge. Again, just the horse-drawn carriage that costs the extra fee. And of course, if you just like to stroll back, you're welcome to do that too, which is what I think I'm going to do. There you go, fresh spinach, $2 a pound. That's a pretty good deal. And got radishes, tatsoi. Huh. I've never even heard of tatsoi. And bok choy right next to it. Neat. Ah, Japanese turnips and cilantro. That's a big yes on the right and a big no on the left. Yeah, I'd imagine if you're out here on a very warm, sunny day, having access to a little shade on occasion, it's probably a very, very welcome treat. So yeah, this probably comes in handy quite often as we approach warmer weather. And of course, if you just want to come and shop for the delicious goodies, you do not have to pay to get into the main grounds. Homegrown pineapple pie tomatoes. That is a breed of tomato I have never heard of before. Oh yeah, I'm getting hungry. Look at all this delicious bounty. Really beautiful too. God, look at the colors. This is pretty cool. They produce their own different kinds of sauces. Barbecue sauce, and sriracha. Oh yeah, that sounds pretty appetizing. Yeah, they got all kinds of good things on sale here. Very nice. Including some things I've never had before, like all kinds of pickled eggs. Oh yeah, garlic, beets, jalapeno eggs. Ooh. Oh man, that is super tempting. Spiced peaches. Oh yeah. All right, I think that's going to bring this one to a close. Looks like you guys are having a very good time snacking away down there, so I won't interrupt you much longer. But thanks for coming along, and we will catch you in the next one. Yeah, no, my goat is not good.